Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to make Quaker Oats a very healthy breakfast. The first step is to add the required quantity of Quaker Oats to your pot. So you can see I'm adding it to my pot. Then the next step is to add little quantity of water because we are trying to get a consistency here. So when you add your water, you stir continuously so that it will mix very well to get the required consistency. Now after you've mixed, then you put your pot on your stove or your gas cooker, whatever cooker you are using, so that you allow it to cook, because this Quaker Oats needs to cook properly for you to enjoy it. Now if you've not liked this video, make sure you like this video and subscribe to this channel. So you're going to wait for some minutes for it to cook properly. So as you can see, the Quaker Oats is cooking. Now the next thing is to mix. As it's cooking, make sure you mix. You can also add water if it's too thick, so that you get a very good consistency. So you can see when you add water, you mix and mix. So continue mixing, make sure you mix very well. I'm also adding little quantity of water to get a very good consistency also. So when you get this appearance, you know that the Quaker Oats is ready. So now it's time to serve our Quaker Oats. So to serve, you just have to put the Quaker Oats to your plates. So now I'm going to add sugar to my Quaker Oats so that you can get a very nice taste. It's very important you add sugar. When you add your sugar, you make sure you mix properly, mix very well. Now if you don't like sugar or you don't use sugar for certain reasons, you can also use honey, which is a more healthier option. So you can see in the other plate I'm adding honey to it, so you can use honey for your Quaker Oats. So when you add your honey, you make sure you mix very well, mix it very well. So this is just all about making Quaker Oats. But then if you have milk, then you can also add milk just to get a very nice taste. You can add your milk. So this is how to make Quaker Oats. So guys, make sure you like this video and subscribe to this channel.